Oh, yo. Blessings. Don't know, so the boss there, New Link from New Link Production, and we say attack. Don't even talk there. Well, people, you are going now. Recently, I see a news reach the New Link, say, yo, no, say, Bashko at Orange Street get licked. And the man, them gone with millions of dollars worth of cash plus goods. Millions, me I tell the people, not a joke thing. They look at 1 or 2, all for money and all for goods. The man, them guard that the Bashko, them lick at Orange Street, and them say, yo, them dig out the wall. As you can see the picture, them dig out the wall and go inside and everything, you know, move with it. And the end people, happily them do that thing, them do it when the store closed, so nobody was attacked, or nobody get shot, nobody this, you know what I mean? Greatest thing. Next thing, honestly, people, me not support robbing and me not support stealing and them something there. Because the Bible tells us stealing is wrong. Thou shall not steal. You understand? But in the end, people, honestly, me rather them trouble and something more than trouble these look poor Jamaicans, you know, who did they try hard to find 2 ends to meet. You know what I mean? Because, you know, me not send no man to go rob nobody I got teeth, but I'm saying I feel more better than for no say a man I walk with him phone on the street and my boy just go rob him and take away his phone and shoot him too. You know what I mean? Them, you know what I mean? But in the end, as I'm telling me, I support none of them people, but you don't know. See? But in the end, people, I'm telling you something. I'm going to be truthful too now. See this robbing thing now at Jamaica, and these big robbing something we are going from the other day. I'm telling you, these men are fed up. And poverty is the main cause of these things, people. These men are fed up. I even noticed no matter how them are dead, they're not top. Them know, like they make up their mind, say, yo, you know what? Me I gotta do it, me not check. Zin, because at the end, people, honestly, me we don't live at Jamaica, but things expensive than I yard, you know. And me I tell the people, and they see, the jealousy thing, it's there. It's a norm. If you know when you see a man with a big ride, you know what I mean? And you feel like you want a big ride, something there. You know what I mean? You make up your mind, say, you know what? Boy, we are going to just go lick that, you know, we are going to do that, we're not curing, we're not checking, because all of them plan is, them think about their money, where them are going to get, how much things them are going to get, what benefits them are going to get after that. So them not check about certain things in the end. Zine people, but when you link us, man, you see, the best thing, if you kind of cut down upon them something, because if you don't work, you're not going to stop in a man, not going to stop dead, man not going to start rob, and if you notice people are all for big robbery are going nowadays. And then one time when I be a petty, not petty thing I go on, yes, you know petty thief them are dead hard. You understand? But them big robbery something that whole for them, man, them pull off and I go through. Zane, whole heap. In the end, the government have to try to implement better structure for the man them can have more money in them pocket. Try to make ways where the man them can have more benefits. Try to set up something where the man can have a car. It's good. You know what I mean? You know, nice, you know, so your people, you're there Jamaica and you car. You know what I mean? You have a little car. It's rough for some people, honestly. It's really rough. We are living in modern days now. Tired of seeing man ride much bicycle now. Them old bicycle something there. You know what I mean? Tired of punch a man if you walk foot and a push bicycle same speed. You know? The government them need to step up the thing more. All of these government living high life, uptown. You know what I mean? Plus other politicians around them and chicks. While these poor Jamaicans are there suffering. You know what I mean? It's like when I left them, we need to create more ways and means it can be done. We know poverty is a norm because some country way worse than Jamaica, but things can be better. Jamaica is such a progressive country. Has so much natural resources where many countries not have and them do better than Jamaica. So what's the problem? Come on, man. You know much country the man have some river like Dunsmore Falls and them something there? Eh? So much country in this world. So much natural resources where tourists, Bantaba tourists have to come forget. See? And we don't dare now people and everything we are saying, yo, honestly, the minimum wage thing can step up more. It's not good. The minimum wage in Jamaica is not good. Mean? You leave these people with no, that's why they can't tap thief, they can't tap scam, they can't tap the what them I do. You know what I mean? It's truth, people. The man them fed up. It happen everywhere still, you know. I'm telling you, but you see, Jamaica is my country, and me have to talk the truth. We want better for our country and our people them. You get me? I say, I want to see better. But if they're not creating these resources and these structures where these men can see better and have more benefits, how the hell you think them are going to do? Where them are do? Eh? The people them fed up, Anjo. Them fed up. The youth them fed up. See? When the youth look and see yo, una jar them big bends when they come to ATM, what politician are rolling heavy with Cuban cigar catch one side of them out. And in the end now people, them have to be there now. Zine, just have to look for a roadside and only thing them can afford is a 50 bag and roll it up and a look. Eh? Come on man, as me are telling you, create ways to the youth them. Get ways. Wanna buy the guns, give them to go kill off each other. Wanna send them see and go robbing them. Now for no look back on themselves now what they doing at the past and not buy the guns them because of politics. Because they want the campaign team. And the same gun them on the buy now eat them and use and kill off the people them. Eh? Now for these guns people from the politicians time them buy them and them not just buy them now. See? I just don't know like me even want to leap up certain things. They don't know when we attack and we launch out. But now the end, once and the resources now create people, for the youth them have better income. The youth them have say more money. You know what I mean? It not gonna stop. It's truth people, it's reality. You know many people are gonna say, yo, what man them too lazy and them now want to work and them say, what is the truth people? Because many people who have been saying these things, only they are afraid of live a better life than them. You understand? Me not tell them man to go rob and to go thief. But what me I say is, we have to try to find some structures where things can be better for the youth them. See? Means and ways. You grew up and you see your daddy this and suffer. You don't want to come in at the same shoes too, don't it? Come on, man. You know what I mean? You can push. You know what I mean? A lot of people, you know, so a lot of young man, they don't want to walk. Them lazy. And those are the ones who need to get rid of. Lazy. Some of them would just see work, they just and then walk past you and cut them here. And when them see a left worker, them come rob you and steal from you. You understand? Those are the ones when you will attack wicked and deeply. You know what I mean? But now the end people, government, don't want to work. Don't want to work. And that's what me New Link I say. See, I don't know the thing of people. This is New Link from New Link production. And I mean say attack, you know. You don't know all the time. Enough love, enough respect. Don't know the thing of people. Blessings every time, every day. Big up on yourself.